Howdy, everybody. I'm Hand-Drawn Hank, and welcome to today's Quick Draw, where you suggest it and I draw it. Remember, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe below. Thanks! Hi, everybody. Today's suggestion comes from a young man named Nashe, and Nashe is from Zimbabwe. Nashe asked for me to draw a pony. Then I got to thinking, I've seen a pony on Hand-Drawn Hank before. Look.
Gators in Masochist, Swampicus Bog. With these creatures, show me a Ponog!
That was such a funny episode. If you want to watch the rest of it, go check it out. And let's get started on Nashe's pony. Here we go. First things first, let's draw those pony eyes. Boo! Whoop. Boo! Whoop. Ta-da! Easy peasy. Whoop. Whoop. And let's draw the insides just like we usually do when we do these things. Ta-da! Looking good. Next, let's draw the pony's ear. Ta-da! And now we're going to draw some pony hair, just a nice little tuft of hair across the top. And we can bring it down. Ta-da! Looking good. Let's draw the other ear. Easy peasy. Next, let's draw a little line here. Whoop! That's for the head of the pony. And now let's draw the pony's snout. So we're just going to draw a nice little line like this. Whoop! Ta-da! Now we're going to draw the front of the pony's snout. But to do it right, we got to first draw one nostril. Whoop! And just draw a little inside for the nostril. Now we're going to draw a circle that comes around like this. Up into a smile. And then draw the other side coming down and around like this. Ta-da! Looking good. Next, we're going to draw the bottom of the snout or the jawline like this. Ta-da! Easy peasy. Next, let's draw some cool pony hair. So we're just going to draw a line like this. Up, whoop, down, whoop, up, whoop, down, whoop, up, whoop, down, whoop. Bring it up, whoop, and up, whoop, and under. Ta-da! Looking great. This is a good looking pony. Next, let's draw the back and the rump of our pony. So it's just going to come up and over like this. Not bad. We're going to bring this line down to make a foot. Watch. Just like that. And then we can add a hoof. Hoofs are fun. 1, 2, 3, and then shade it. Good job. Let's draw the front. So again, we just draw a line. And stop. Easy peasy. Next, we're just going to draw this front leg. So we draw a line, and stop. Draw a line, and stop. Make it a little higher. Okay. And we're going to add some kneecaps. So, and then, and just add a hoof. And shade. Good job. We are almost done. Bring this line around so it connects. And again. And up. Ta-da! And now let's draw the back leg. Line and in. And hoof. Shade. Same thing. Line. Kneecap. Bring it around. And hoof. And shade. We're finished. But I feel like I forgot something. Hey, baby Hand-Drawn Hank, what did I forget?
A tail.
I did forget a tail. Let's draw it. Up, down. Boop. Up, down. Boop. Bring it around. Boop. 1 and 2. Ta-da! Let's draw some ground. Whoop. 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 And just like that, we drew an awesome, cute, super cool little pony. If you like what you saw, make sure you tell all your friends and please subscribe. And thanks again, Nashe, for the suggestion. Now, let's color! Woo!